Yow, 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 yow. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Back here on EA Sports, James Cebulski along with Ray Ferraro, who's down at ice level. This should be a fun one here this evening. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Setters glide into position for the opening draw. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Sends the pass over. Oh, what a stop!
Like that save as he was able to deflect it to the corner.
Looks to set up at the point now. Trying to shake loose. He's in the clear. What a stop on the breakaway. Puck grabbed by Pasternak.
They're calling him Big Save Dave in Calgary. David Riddick with an excellent stop.
And that's broken up with a stick in front. Picks it up. Here we go. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. And he regains control of the puck. Quick pass to Radulov. On the attack along the boards. Here's a blast. And the lane's clogged up, blocking that. Great read to break up the play. And now he angles it across to Panarin. Huge stop on the one-timer. And now it's grabbed by Ronick. And now he tries to get it across to Pasternak. Team Russia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Team Czech Republic's gained possession along the boards. Verana swooping in on the attack. Takes the feed at the back end. That's turned aside from the blocker. Moves it to Ovechkin. Looks to pass it to Nemestikov. Here's an opportunity. Denies him on the play. Gets it to the other point. Moves it quickly over to Nemestikov. Denied by the goaltender. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Czech Republic's got a hold of it against the wall. Carries it in. Quick feed to Kipney. Pokes it away in his own end. Puck scooped up by Kovalchuk. With possession along the wall. Here's a short pass to Tarasenko. An easy glove save made by Riddick. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Quick pass to Zaitsev. From the opposite point. Takes that pass back at the point. Moves it to Anisimov. Slides the puck over. And now it's over to Kovalchuk. And it's a quick pass to Zadorov. Sends a pass over. Hammers the shot. Big time stop there. Grabs the puck in the corner. Looks to get the puck over to Kovalchuk. Handles the puck, and that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And he slides it quickly to Kasha. Here's an odd man rush. And he slides it quickly to Simic. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Takes the pass. Moves it quickly over to Kasha. Great glove save. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Puck picked up by Orlov. Carries it across the line. Quick feed to Kucherov. Sergachev's got it against the boards. Here's a short pass to Orlov. Team Czech Republic's got the puck along the boards. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Zdanov. What a great read, breaking up the pass. Slides it diagonally to Zdanov. Turns it away.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside.
Hurdle's won it off the faceoff. Quick pass to Hurdle. Takes the feed. Moves the puck along the half wall. Moves the puck. On the deflection. Great save by the goaltender on that one. Moved into the middle. And now he moves it to Sergachev. Handles the puck at the point. Nice pass. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Moves it to Palat. Palat's carrying it ahead. Grips it and rips it, and he comes up with a big-time save on that. Russia's got the puck along the wall. Takes a shot with the stop. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Smart heads up, play to neutralize the threat. Oh, he exploded on him in the open ice. Moves it quickly over to Zaitsev. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Moves the puck behind the net. Quick feed to Panarin. Oh, that's a good hit. Takes the feed. Czech Republic's got a hold of the puck. Went for the dirty dangle, and it goes sideways.
Oh, he looked like he was in a good spot there. He bobbled the puck. Now he's got to find it again as he loses possession.
Radulov's going to play it against the half wall. Now a quick pass to Zadorov. Here's a pass down low. Picks off the feed. Slides the pass over to Voracek. Here's a chance. To his teammate. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Great timing to come up with the interception. Stopped by the goaltender.
Sharp reaction save. We'll go back and look at that hit here, James. Now, I was never one to deliver one of these hits, but man, did you ever notice whether your team was given or taken?
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Can't get it to go.
Probably better off to take a little off the shot and get it on target. He's nowhere near the net.
Anisimov's got the puck. Receives the pass. Team Czech Republic's got a hold of it along the wall. Here's a short pass to Frolik. Team Russia's looking to break out of their own end. Kovalchuk's got it across the line. Czech Republic's gained possession along the boards. Handles it along the blue line. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. That's intercepted. Czech Republic's got the puck behind the net. And now he angles it across to Saka. Here they are on the attack. Here's a shot and makes the save. Takes the feed from the goaltender. Kucherov's got it into offensive territory. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Into the corner now. And now he tries to get it across to Provorov. And that's broken up. Grabbed along the boards by Kucherov.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
Gudas plays it now. Sends the pass over. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck to his chest.
Gudas didn't take anything off this. That is a big hit.
Czechs won the draw. Gets a glove on it to make the stop. Takes it across the blue line. Takes the feed at the point. Great heads-up play in the defensive zone. Here he is. He's got a step. Oh, great glove save. Where'd that come from?
Oh, he snaps the glove save off there. Excellent chance in the slot.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Gets in front of it.
One of the things he was working on is trying to control where the puck goes after he stops it. The corner is a pretty safe place.
And now he moves it quickly to Zaitsev. Snaps one on net. Oh, gets a glove on it to make the stop. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Oh, had a chance to make a nice move, and the puck disagreed with him. Along the half wall with the puck. Quick pass to Zadorov. Scores! Oh, that was a beauty!
Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
Russia's on the board first, leading 1-0.
This was hard work to get on the board here. Neither team giving up a lot, but now we got one. Maybe it'll open up.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Puts the puck on net. Glove save, and the play continues.
Time of the goal, 15 minutes, 6 seconds.
Team Czech Republic's down despite numerous scoring opportunities here late in the first. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Can't keep a hold of it as he's jostled off the puck. Team Russia's got the puck in their own end. Slides the puck over. A little rock'em sock'em on the play. Malkin's got it in the offensive zone. Moves it to Panarin, and he makes the save. Czech Republic's grabbed a hold of the puck. Sends it in on the attack. Russia's got a hold of it against the wall. And now it's over to Panarin. Panarin's got it along the wing. Czech Republic's got it behind the net. Moves the puck to Frolik. Over the line they come. Moves it quickly over to Ronick. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Denied by the goaltender.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck. Team Czech Republic's trying to wear them down. They've been on the body since the first drop of the puck. Maybe it'll pay dividends later, but they're trailing in the game.
Getting into the later stages of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. And that sails over the net.
He's got to do something a little better than that. Just can't finish it from there.
Wonder if that gives him a nightmare later. Moves the puck over to Sergachev. Moves it around along the half wall. Quick feed to Sergachev. Here's a blast. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. Makes the save with the glove. And it's a quick pass to Bushnevich. Knocked away. Sends a pass over. Here's a short pass to Sergachev.
Man, they've worked the puck around so well on this shift. They've totally worn out the defending team. About two things are going to happen here, it seems like. They're going to either take a penalty or they're going to give up a goal. This is a great shift.
Fires one on goal. And that goes off the post and out. And the goaltender jumps on top of that one to try to slow things down.
They needed a stoppage. They started to get a little scrambly around their zone, and they're looking for some help. Now they can reorganize.
Team Czech Republic still trailing here in this opening period despite excellent scoring opportunities in the offensive zone. Hammers a shot. Big stick save by the goaltender. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Kovalchuk. And he slides it quickly to Tarasenko. And now he moves it to Provorov. Shuts him down. Oh, and another big stop.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Czech Republic's down, but not out. They've had chances. They just haven't capitalized. Kuznetsov's won the draw here in the offensive zone. What a stop as he puts out the fire! Referee's got his hand up, signaling a delayed penalty. And the official stopped the play. Let's see what the call is. Boarding is the call, and Ray, it's a tough one to argue.
He follows through a little bit high, a little bit hard, and it made a lot of noise. Those are often called.
First chance of the night here on the man advantage. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Back at the point, they set it up. And he slides it quickly to Saka. Good hit. Grabs the puck in the slot. Taken by Provorov. Grabs the puck here in their own end. Well, that'll do it for period number 1, and a chance for both teams to kind of get a refresh here. A lone goal is the difference so far through the first 20. It's a 1-0 game.
If you are the holder of the winning ticket, please take it to our customer service kiosk at section 140.
As both teams get a breather here in this first intermission, we'll do the same and get ready for period number 2.
Minor league hockey in your community.
And we are just moments away from the start of period number 2. Team Czech Republic's power play gets back to work here as we are underway in the period. They win the draw. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone and manages to clear the zone. Czech Republic's got the puck along the boards. Here they come on the attack. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Pinned up along the boards. And the puck's kicked free. And it's freed up over to his teammate with a nice kick pass. Takes the puck behind the net. And the puck's booted away. Team rushes, ready to go on the attack. And that one's stopped. One last rush here on this power play. Carries it in. Missed opportunity by the power play unit as they failed to execute, still trailing by 1.
Riddick's right on top of this scoring chance. Nowhere for the puck to go.
Lots of time left in this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Oh, he stopped that one. That was a fireball. Team Czech Republic's had the scoring opportunities. They just haven't been able to capitalize as they continue to trail. Kuznetsov's won a big draw on their own end. Nemestikov's taking it from his own end. On the attack along the boards. Nemestikov's got it deep in the offensive end. Denies him in front.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play.
Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Along the wing up the neutral zone. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle. Stopped by the goaltender. Czech Republic still trailing in this one despite numerous shots on goal. Back underway and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Handles the puck. Here's a shot. Makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker.
That's a lot of hard work for him to make this stop because he's got to find the puck first before he can get his body in front of it.
That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Right on the doorstep. Russia's got the puck. Picked off. Puts it on net. Stopped by the goaltender. And now he angles it across to Šimik. With possession along the wall. Keeps hold of the puck. Takes the pass. Move to the middle. From one point man to another.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can't chase you anymore. Now he's got room to carry the puck.
Keeps a hold of the puck after that knock. Bobrovsky's going to smother it to get a whistle.
Can get dangerous if nobody's in control of the puck.
Team Czech Republic's looking to convert on some of these chances. They've had plenty of opportunities, but have been snake-bitten thus far. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Carries it across the line. They've got numbers. Here he is in front. Big save. Moves it up. Moves the puck along the half wall. Way too much congestion blocks that. Quick pass to Panarin. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Czech Republic's got control of it now from their own end. Kasha's got it against the boards. Slides it over with pace to Nemestikov. Now over to Nemestikov. Moves it to Kuznetsov. Here's a shot, and there's the save. Team Czech Republic's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Czech Republic's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Takes the feed. Snaps it on net. He scores! They've tied it up!
Brand new game. All that work that's gone behind this, and we're back to even Steven. That's a good shot. He zips it by the goaltender, but he works himself into a clean area on the ice to shoot this from the high slot.
Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. We are all tied up in this one. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway.
By number 89.
Right up front. Snaps one from the slot. Blocker saved by the goalkeeper.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
And a great save. And now he tries to get it across to Voracek. Voracek's got it on the offensive end. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Lets it fly, and he comes up with it. Anissimov's exploring options with the puck. Slides the puck down low. Here's a backhander off the stick.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
They've got the defense outnumbered. Into the corner of the attacking area. And it's kicked away. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, I won't complain.
Palat's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Takes the pass as he banks it off the wall. Moves along the blue line. Here he is from the slot. Oh, he stops him with the glove. Great reflexes there.
Oh, you're not going to get a better chance than that, but the goalkeeper does a great job.
Malkin's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. And that's blocked away. Puck grab by Ronick. Piranha swooping in on the attack. Sends it over, and that's broken up. And now it's over to Radulov. Slides it on over to Radulov. Moves it quickly over to Panarin. Stick save, just got a piece of it with that one. Tries to get the puck to Saka. Saka's going to play it against the half wall. Now a quick pass to Kasha. Oh, what a stop! Picked up along the boards by Palat. Great positioning in the defensive end. Great poke check on the reach. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Kasha. Moves the puck. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Pass back to the point. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from? Quick shot. Denies him again.
Really good stop. After he made the first one, he's got to find the puck, and he's in position again. I wanted another look at this one. I'm sure you guys were all impressed as I was. What a save by the goalie.
More than half the frame has been played here. It's all tied up. Krejci's won the draw. Voracek's got the puck. Moved in front, and that's broken up with a stick in front. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Quick feed to Kuznetsov. And now he moves it quickly to Kuznetsov. Coughs it up on the play. And now he moves it to Voracek. And now he angles it across to Pasternak. Along the half wall with the puck. Oh, absolutely owns the crease tonight. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Great chance in front. Gets a paddle on it to make the save.
High quality chance, high quality save.
Denies him. Scores! And he puts his team in front.
James, this game looked really comfortable as a tie game. Now they're ahead. They've got to continue to push. Oh, he tried to make a desperation save there, but he gets beat. Not much else he could do.
Team Czech Republic's gone up by 1 here in this second period.
Pretty important goal to get to break the tie here as you get into the middle frame, and now you have a chance to control maybe the way the game's played.
Dished on over to Kucherov. Kucherov's got it in the offensive zone. Team Russia's got it now. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Trying to turn on the Jets here. Stays with it for the save.
I thought the player really showed a nice deke, but the goalie has great patience, doesn't overcommit, and makes the save.
Here in the back half of this period, Czech Republic's been the better-looking team over the last few minutes. They'd love to build on this one-goal lead. Chance in front! Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Team Czech Republic's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Here's a short pass to Kempny. Here's a backhander. Stopped by the goaltender. Czech Republic's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Lets it go from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Quick hands. Not only does he get a glove on it, he catches it, which is hard to do.
Team Czech Republic's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Back to the blue line. Takes a shot. Scores! We're all tied up!
And now their bench has a little more belief as they've evened up the score. Well, the only way he's stopping this one is if it hits him. As soon as the shooter went to shoot it, the goaltender dropped into the butterfly. He's looking around that traffic, hoping he can find it.
Anisimov's one possession. Slides it across to Tarasenko. Tarasenko's got it along the wing. Takes a shot. Makes the stop with the blocker.
Time of the goal.
Nice pass.
27 seconds.
Through center along the wing. Moves it around along the half wall. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. And some good footwork to kick it away. Stones him in front. Play kept alive into another pressure cooker situation. Sends it over to Tarasenko. Here's an odd man rush. Here's the pass. The easy glove save by Riddick. James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. We got a tie game. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And now it's grabbed by Zacha. Knocked off the puck. Kucherov swinging the puck through center ice. Here's a chance. Makes the save. Along the boards, they battle for the puck. Point-to-point pass. Tries to feed it over. No one back. A 2-on-0. Comes up with the stop. Czech Republic's looking to break out of their own end. And it's a quick pass to Kasha. Move to the middle. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Directed over to Provorov. And that's just out of reach. Quick pass to Gudas. Gudas moves it into the attacking end. Puts the puck on net. Denies him. He got all of it. Here in the dying moments of this period, you can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. On the attack along the boards. Puts it to the front of the net. Gives them nothing in front.
Now, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go.
Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Takes it across the blue line. On the one-timer, and he misses.
That's a really good scoring opportunity that the goalie doesn't even have to make a save on.
Team Czech Republic's got the puck in their own end. Moves it to Zadorov. Slides the puck across to Nemestikov. Takes the feed. Blocked in traffic. Frolik's got it along the boards. Here's a chance. Battle along the boards. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Moves it quickly over to Kuznetsov. Russia's got the puck along the wall. Here's a howitzer at the net. Denies him with the save. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Frolik's carrying it ahead. Slides it across. Blocker save. Team Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Unstoppable. Puck scooped up by Bobrovsky. Bobrovsky's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James, as he covers it up to kill the play.
Late goings of this period. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Approaching the final 60 seconds here in the second. Knocked away. Lets it fly and makes the save. Quick feed to Ronick. Puck picked up by Kucherov. Through the neutral zone up along the wing. There's a shot. Turns it aside with the glove. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Slides it back to the blue line. Denies him on the play.
They're working really hard these days to make sure when they stop the puck, it doesn't stay in front of them. If they can't stop it and catch it, they want that puck in the corner.
This one's still too close to call. 2-2 is where we sit after 40 minutes.
Hey kids, don't forget if you're a member of our rookie team, you'll have the opportunity to have a couple of our players sign autographs after the game.
What's in store for the third period? Let's tune in to find out just moments away. And we are just moments away from the start of the third period. Third period, we are all tied up, and the next goal could be a biggie. With possession along the wall. Moves the puck along the half wall. And now he tries to get it across to Pasternak. Radulov's got it across the line. And now it's over to Kulikov. Takes the pass and works the cycle down low. Receives the pass. Pasternak's gaining momentum. And that one's broken up. Tries to get the puck over to Malkin. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Czech Republic's gained possession along the boards. Here's a short pass to Krejci. Krejci's got it against the boards. Along the half wall with the puck. And he slides it quickly to Ronick. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Puts it in deep. Russia's got a hold of it against the wall. And he slides it quickly to Malkin. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Nemestikov. Puts it on net. Oh, what a glove save! Lots of time left in this period. We are all tied up in this one. Hurdles won it in their own end. Picks it up, and they turn on the pressure. Riddick's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Oh, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized.
Kuznetsov's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Hammers the one-timer, makes the save. Team Czech Republic's got the puck along the boards. Quick pass to Palat. Look out, a 2-on-1. Team Russia's got the puck. Moves it to Ovechkin. And now he moves it to Kuznetsov. Broken up at center. Scooped up along the wall by Kempny. Moves it quickly over to Kasha. Russia's got the puck along the wall. Team Russia's got possession at center. Stopped with ease. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Now a quick pass to Zaka. Zaka's going to play it against the half wall. Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Tarasenko's got it into offensive territory. And that one's turned away. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Comes up with the stop. We're still in the early stages of this period. It's all tied up. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Cautious moving it ahead. Back to the point it goes. Picked up along the wall by Kasha. Sends the pass over. Quick feed to Saka. Quick shot. Oh, a clutch save. Tries to get it over to Kucherov. Here's a short pass to Zdanov. Looks to set up at the point now. Too much congestion, blocks the shot. Moves it around along the half wall. Team Russia's gained possession. Puts it on net. Traps that puck tight into his chest. And we're going to get a whistle here.
That's a pretty good scoring chance. That's a chance the shooter thinks might go in, but the goalie turns it aside.
Nearing the midway mark of the period. We got a tie game. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And that's taken by the defense. Over the line they come. Russia's got control of it now from their own end. Buchnevich has got the puck. And that one's broken up. And he puts that one aside with ease. On the attack along the boards. And that's broken up. Angles it over to Nemestikov. And now he moves it quickly to Kuznetsov. Here they come on the attack. Faxa's got it in the offensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Voracek. Taken by Sergachev. Ovechkin's got it along the wing. A chance right in front. Oh, what a beautiful glove save.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through him.
Krejci's won it off the faceoff. Pasternak's lugging the puck. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Feeds the puck across to Radulov. Puck grabbed by Krejci. Passes it over to Ronick. Here's a shot. Comes up with the stop. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Moves the puck across to Provorov. Quick pass to Verona. Takes the puck at the point. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Moves it to Palat. And he slides it quickly to Verona. Puts it just wide.
He's looking to put that just inside the post. Just misses.
Tries to get it to Malkin. Carries it in. And the puck skips away after that move.
Panarin's in good position to create a scoring chance, but he bobbles the puck, and the chance is gone.
And he slides it quickly to Hurdle.
Hey, James, just jumping in for a second. That was an enormous hit.
From off the boards, takes the feed inside the zone. Moves it quickly over to Palat.
Whoa!
He scores! They take the lead.
Well, it looked like this game was going to be even for the longest time because nobody seemed to have the upper hand. Once his puck bounces off the goaltender the first time, the shooter's the next guy in position. The D can't turn quick enough, and he puts it away into the net.
Czech Republic's offense has given themselves a one-goal lead here in the third. Now do you sit back and protect it?
That's always dangerous. You invite trouble by the puck being in your zone. Try and play it in the offensive 100 feet as much as you can.
In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up.
10 minutes, 9 seconds.
Past the midway mark of the frame, Team Czech Republic's got a 1-goal lead. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Loose puck, and they're off to the races. Slides the puck over. Now a quick pass to Tarasenko. Sends a pass over. Turns it away. Czech Republic's got the puck inside the defensive zone. With possession along the wall. Centering pass in front. Handles the puck. Quick feed to Sergachev. Carries it across the line. Lays into the body. And that shot dives in traffic. And now he angles it across to Saka. Here they are on the attack. Moves the puck along the half wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And the goalie covers up for the whistle.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And that goes off a player in front. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the pass. Here's a short pass to Zadorov. Czech Republic's got it behind the net. Quick pass to Kipney. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Centered out in front. A rocker off the blocker. Team Russia's gained possession along the boards. Kuznetsov's got it against the boards. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Takes the feed. Along the half wall with the puck. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Russia's got a hold of it against the wall. Nemestnikov's picking up steam. Nemestnikov's going to play it against the half wall. Denied by the goaltender. Moves it to Kipney. Huge steal at his own end.
The offensive player with the lead, you got to be sure with the puck. You can't turn it over in that spot.
Lets it fly with the stop. Team Russia's got the puck along the boards. Takes it across the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Dadanov. With the stop. Feeds the puck to Frolik. Lets it go and makes the save. Bobrovsky's going to hang on to that one for a whistle.
Quickly on top of that, James. He needed a cover there. He'll check his stick after this. He makes the save on a really good scoring chance.
This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And he stands tall in goal. Back on a stick now. And now he tries to get it across to Radulov. From the place 99 made famous. Gets in front of it.
Quick glove hand here. He gets the glove out to make the stop.
Getting into the later stages of this period, it's a one-goal hockey game. 3-2 is where we sit. Hurdles won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Russia's got the puck along the wall. Team Czech Republic's looking to break out of their own end. Knocked away. Quick feed to Provorov. Dumps it in. Czech Republic's got a hold of it along the wall. Verana's got it in the offensive end. Excellent stick work on the play. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Moves it around along the half wall. Here's a short pass to Hurdle. Taken along the wall by Hurdle. On the attack along the boards. And now it's over to Šimik. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. And now he moves it quickly to Radulov. They've got numbers. And it's a quick pass to Sergachev. Smart heads-up play to neutralize the threat. Moves the puck. Here he is, wrestled on net. Oh, going wide.
You all stood up, now they sit down. That was a chance to spread this game out.
Oh, that could have been the insurance marker they needed. And that one's stolen at center ice. Tarasenko stick handling in his own zone. And he slides it quickly to Tarasenko. Battling for it along the boards. Gets the puck over to Voracek. Quick pass to Krejci. Team rushes, ready to go on the attack. Knocks the puck loose after a solid hit. Up along the wing. Nice dish from the left wing. And he slides it quickly to Pasternak. Pass across to Kuznetsov. Oh, smart heads-up play to put that one away. Under a minute to play in this dandy. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Stopped by the goaltender.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance.
Big-time defensive play. The sense of urgency and breathe.
I got 2 of these in my career. I was never out at the end of the game.
You had 400 goals and only scored 2 empty netters?
Yeah, when we were protecting the lead, it was safest with me sitting down.
What an indictment.
Oh, yeah. Now that empty netter should wrap this up here. We're in the last little bit of the third period. That should be enough.
Team Czech Republic's added to their lead with the empty netter, and Ray, that's pretty much all she wrote, I would say.
Well, you grind away to get the lead through this much of the game, and they pull the goalie, they're going to pressure you. You put it away with an easy one into the empty net. Well, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
We got a penalty coming up here as the officials blow the play dead. Ovechkin's getting 2 for hooking.
You get caught when you don't move your feet. Now you've got to reach out to slow the player down. He's in the box.
Rightly so. Another scoring opportunity looms here. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves it to Kempny. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Over the line they come. They desperately need a goal. The net is empty and the extra attacker's out. Now a quick pass to Orlov. And forced staring at an empty net. Fires into the empty net. Slides the puck across to Bushnevich. Nice pass. And now he moves it quickly to Malkin. And that goes off a player. With the empty net and a breakaway, it is all over. Well, this one's in the books. A fun one tonight for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.